Hello, welcome to YOLO Crypto. My name is Daniel Scott Jacobs, and today is Monday, March 10th. Okay, and today we're going to talk about a very simple, easy to use, effective method of trading that involves no TA. Okay, you don't even need to look at a chart, look at a graph rather. They're not charts, they're graphs. And this I call the Coinbase method. Okay. A lot of people use this method. It's little spoke about. It's not like hyped about. People don't talk about it a lot. And it's something I've been using for years. And very simply, what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy a coin as soon as it gets listed on Coinbase, Coinbase exchange that is, United States. They're publicly traded. And you're gonna plan to sell within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, and the reason this works is because 20% of people that hold cryptocurrency have a Coinbase account. Okay, so you think when a coin gets listed on Coinbase, just the sheer opportunity of new people being able to buy that coin is the reason that it goes up. Okay. And Coinbase has a great aspect. They will list coins like the top gainers, which pretty much all exchanges do. And when people see that, they see it growing, people will buy in because they get FOMO, okay? And that is good for us. But remember, when you are making money on a cryptocurrency or any digital asset for that matter, whether it be in the stock market or a cryptocurrency exchange, you are taking money from someone else, okay? So it is a cutthroat market, but this method is very effective. So, first thing you need to do, okay, I'm going to lay out pretty much what you already know, but I do have some things you probably don't know. Okay, so first thing is to set up notifications for Coinbase on the exchange itself. Okay, so set up notifications and make sure they are active on your lock screen. So when your lock screen is on, you will still see a Coinbase notification come through, okay? Set up same notifications for Twitter, okay? Follow Coinbase and set up those notifications. Now, Coinbase also has a blog where they will list new coins that get, where they will tell you about new coins that get listed, okay? So if there's a way to set up a notification for that on your device, I would do that as well. Now, the coins that are going to do best are ones with a lot of zeros. So coins that are very, very inexpensive, meaning you can buy a coin for a fraction of a penny. So you're going to see a zero, a decimal point, then a zero, number of zeros, and then actual numbers, okay? So that means the coin is very inexpensive, and that gives retail that lottery ticket-like appeal, okay? The reason people buy lottery tickets is because they feel in their head, they feel the imagination of, like, hitting it big, okay? Because they have a normal, simple life. Usually, they're of a lower economic status. And during the time they're scratching the ticket, they feel like they can hit it big and they can be with the upper class. Okay, that is why people buy lottery tickets, and that is why people buy meme coins that are very inexpensive. Now, I'm not saying these are meme coins, because Coinbase has a vetting process. Okay, and that is why this strategy works. Is because not everything gets listed on Coinbase. They have to pass a criteria, which I'm going to lay out for you in a second, in order to get listed. Okay, they have to be of legal compliance. Okay, they can't have any legal issues going on. Like, you remember when XRP had that issue? Coinbase delisted them. Okay, and it's a monitoring process, so they're continuously monitoring these coins. Okay, the coin has to have good volume. Okay, it has to have good volume. It has to have good business standards. Okay, and the coin has to have utility. All right, it has to be used for something. However, if a meme coin, Coinbase makes their money off trading fees. Okay. So the coin has to have good volume. People have to be actively trading it in order for Coinbase to make some money, so higher volume will always help. So if meme coins have a high volume, like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, they will get listed, okay? And that reminds me, you may want to set up, like, if you're trading 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times a month, buying and selling, executing transactions, you might want to consider signing up for Coinbase One, okay? It does cost $35, but if you're paying $7, $8, $9 a trade and you're doing that 6 or 7 times a month, Coinbase One is going to pay for itself, and there's additional benefits, okay? Drastically lowers trading fees, obviously, and it's going to give you insurance for up to $10,000 of your crypto, okay? So if you're trading and you have less than $10,000 in the account, I would definitely sign up for Coinbase One. I have done it, and I think it works great. Now, you'd think to yourself, how can we find out what coins are going to be listed before they get listed? Now, Coinbase does not tell us this. However, there is a bit of, not a loophole, but there is a way to get a good hint at which coins will get listed, and that is by looking at what projects Coinbase has invested in. Now, there's a couple of different sites to do this on. One is coinrank.io, but there's many. Even Forbes has a list of what projects Coinbase has invested in. So what I would suggest doing, if you want to invest in these coins early, however, if you were to go and invest in every single coin, like you go and you find it on a DEX or another exchange, and that's easy to do if you go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you find a coin that Coinbase has invested in, check Coinbase, make sure it's not already on Coinbase, and then go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, search that coin, and that is going to tell you what markets it sells on, so you can go to that market and make an account if you don't have one already. Usually DEXs will always have them, like Radium or Uniswap, and then you can go ahead and buy the token, okay? But you would spend all your money if you invest in every project that Coinbase has invested in. So it's not something that I do unless the coin shows real good potential. But I just looked at 10 or 12 coins that I searched for them. I checked, verified that they weren't on Coinbase, and then I went on a screener like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. And none of them show like real uptrend, okay? I particularly like the ones that when they first came out, they had a big bump, which is normal, and then they seem to have settled down and they haven't done much. Those coins are going to be easy to get like 1, 2, or 3, or 4 X's out of, and the market caps are low. I'm going to give you a couple of the coins right now, a few of them. So one of them is ACLA. Okay, it has a market cap of 42 million. And this coin could easily do a 2X. But again, when you buy the coin, this is something that is going to take some attention, because you're going to buy the coin as soon as it gets listed on Coinbase, even if it's up a little bit. Sometimes, like, I've made the mistake of seeing a coin that gets listed, and it's already up like 35%, and I don't buy it, okay? And it goes to do 200% in the next 24 to 48 hours, okay? So don't get fooled by that. Even if I see a coin up to like 50%, sometimes I will still buy it if the volume is showing, if the volume is increasing, okay? Another coin is CTK, and that's Shentu, okay? And now the market cap's 47 million on that one. And the last one is SLND. That's Solend, market cap of 53 million. I will admit I do not own any of these coins. That's the thing about this channel, is if I'm shilling a coin, if I'm telling you about a coin, if I'm telling you about a project, if I've been paid to do that, or if I have money invested in the project, if I have a bag, I will tell you, because I just made a video about 5 crypto traps, and one of the things, the last one, is following YouTubers and listening to YouTubers that are trying to get liquidity for their bags. Okay, sometimes they'll shill a coin because they need to sell, right? Or sometimes they're paid to do that and they don't give a shit about their project. They're giving tokens or they're giving capital just to create hype and shill their shitty coin. Okay, that's something we will not do on this channel. Okay, you can trust me, and I know it's early, but I will show you. So that is the video I have for you. Buy a coin as soon as it comes on Coinbase, and you should do all right. However, you might hit 2 out of 3. You might hit 50%. Okay, and that's still great. But the thing is, if coins, like, it also matters with the greater market. Like, if you were to, like, if a coin comes out on a day that Bitcoin is doing well, you're going to see a much bigger gain as opposed to a day when Bitcoin is not doing well. But I've had some outsized gains on days where Bitcoin was down 5, 6, 7%. But that is what I have for you, okay? Just remember, you can't really set a stop loss on standard Coinbase, but just be careful. You're going to want to watch this coin, okay? Check it every hour, and remember, your plan to sell is within the first 24 or 48 hours. If it hasn't done anything within a week, I would probably sell it unless you like the project, look at the utility. But again, Coinbase has already vetted these projects. But again, if it's not in the top 10, which even the top 10 changes, every cycle. So just be careful. That's all I'm saying, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, but this is advice, okay? So please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.